NIA's Education Center is powered by Knopf Insulation. Knopf is an education partner of this platform, and we appreciate their support. You can access NIA's Education Center by visiting www.niaeducationcenter.org. Once you get to the website, you're able to log into the platform. You can log in by clicking in the upper right-hand corner and using the same login credentials that you would use to access NIA's member-only site, or the same login details you would use to register for a training or event through NIA. There's only one username and password you have to remember. From the webpage, you can explore courses by category. There's insulation materials, health and safety, general business, energy savings, human resources, or you can see products available through NIA's bookstore. You can also learn more about NIA's training courses from this row. Some of these training courses do require an additional registration fee. The Mechanical Insulation Basics course and the Mechanical Insulation videos are included as part of the Premier Training subscription package. You can also access the content of the course by format. You can choose in person, on demand, or virtual. Scrolling further down the page, you'll see a list of some of our featured courses. These will be updated throughout the year when there's new courses that NIA wants to promote or highlight. You can view all courses by clicking on the green button in the middle of the page, or you can click on the courses button at the top. So let's go here and click on the green button to view all of the courses. Here you'll be able to scroll through all of our course offerings. So right now we have over 40 courses available, and in the next month or so we'll be adding another 10 courses. So we'll have close to 50 courses available by the middle of summer. So courses are always updated and consistently added to the site here. So let's click on one of these courses to learn a little bit more. So here you'll be able to see the description of the course, speaker information if applicable, and each course page includes the time of the course, the level that NIA has categorized it as, and if it's included as part of the Premier Training subscription package. There are also a variety of courses that are free to NIA members, and that would be listed here at the top of the page. So let's go back to the main course page that lists all the courses here. At the top of this page, you're able to browse courses by category, member type. You can also use the keyword search if that's what you prefer. So let's go here and choose insulation materials. There's quite a few courses available around that. So here you'll see a listing of all of the courses related to insulation materials that are available on NIA's Education Center website. So that's an easy way to search by category. So if we were to go back to the main page of NIA's Education Center, scrolling all the way down, of course, you'll see our contact information right here. If you have any questions about the demonstration today or anything related to NIA's Education Center, you can contact NIA at training@insulation.org or call 703-464-6422. Thanks so much for listening, and I appreciate your time today.